Now, many people believe that the secret rapture takes place, and then after that, the Great Tribulation comes, and there are 7 years of tribulation. A lot of this is grown out of the Left Behind books. You will not find the phrase 7 years of tribulation anywhere in the Bible. This is a doctrine that has been manufactured. It is true there's going to be a tribulation. The Bible doesn't say how long it's going to be. Some have wondered if it would be 3.5 years, like that time period of drought in the days of Elijah, or that 3.5 year period of time that you find during the Dark Ages when the woman flees into the wilderness. Now, when you talk about the Great Tribulation, you really need to look at Matthew chapter 24, where Jesus is talking about this time of trouble. And he says there, and you begin in, you could say in Matthew chapter 24, start with verse 21. Then shall be great tribulation, such as was not since the beginning of the world to this time, no, nor ever shall be. And except those days should be shortened, no flesh will be saved. But for the elect's sake, those days will be shortened. Well, clearly, God is shortening the time of trouble that the elect might survive.
Most of the images shown in today's video were taken from the FAA weather cameras in Alaska just over the past few days. The south-facing camera in Edna Bay, Alaska shows a red object we've seen many times before. Now, for several reasons, we know this cannot possibly be a lens flare of the sun. One of the many reasons is that the cratered surface of this object makes its rotation very obvious. And as we've discussed before, our sun only rotates once every 27 Earth days, and this object is rotating much faster than that. Once again, we see the jet that is always present during these multiple daily solar eclipses. In the Holy Bible, Jesus tells us in Luke chapter 21, verse 25, that we will see signs in the sky when the end of the age is near. And as Christians, we are commanded to watch for these signs so that we are aware of the very late hour in which we are living. As always, if we draw a line from the reflection of the jet to the black center of the manufactured light source, the celestial object being hidden always falls upon that line, without exception. We've seen this hundreds of times over the past few years.